It doesn't look like a big moment, but this is the first time Pookie has used a rattle. Hey there, Pookster. Yeah, you're shaking the rattle. You learned how to shake the rattle. Good job. Good job. Yeah. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Can you give a shake for your viewing audience? Can you give a shake? What's that? What's that? Gotta get the little leg squirm there. Can you do that again? Can you do that again? Yes.